Hi viewers, I hope you all are fine. So today we will solve few more sums related to the topic banking recurring deposit accounts. So let us solve the first question here. Puneet has a recurring deposit account in the Bank of Baroda and deposits rupees 140 per month for 4 years. If he gets rupees 8092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. So we will apply this formula for all the sums, right? MV is equals to Pn plus Pn into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. P is principal, N is number of months, R is rate, and MV is maturity value. So according to the question, the principal is rupees 140. We'll put here rupees 140. N is number of months. They have given us 4 years as number of months, right? We will convert this years into months. 4 years is, we will, if we convert it into months, it will become 4 into 12. 4 into 12 gives you 48. So 4 years is equals to 48 months. MV according to the question is 8092. So 8092 is our maturity value. So let us put the numbers according to the formula. So the maturity value is, in place of maturity value, we'll write here 8092. In place of P, we'll put the principal 140 into, in N is 48 months, 48 plus 140 into 48. Here N is 48, 48 plus 1. The whole divided by 2 into 12. So our rate, according in the question, they haven't given us the rate, right? So we have to find out the rate here. Rate of interest we have to find R by 100. In place of rate, we'll put R itself. Now we'll do the cancellation here. We'll cancel 1 0 from here and 1 0 from here. Let us cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Here we'll cancel this. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. What is left? Now what is left? 8092 as it is. 140 into 48. 140 into 48 gives you 6720, right? 6720 plus 7 2s are 14, right? We'll write a 14. 48 plus 1 gives you 49. We'll write a 49. By nothing, right? 1 only. Into R by 100. R by 5. Not 100. R by 5. So 8092 is equals to 6720 plus 14 into 49 gives you 686. 14 into 49 gives you 686 into R by 5. Now 8092 is equals to 6720 plus 686 gives you the answer 7406 into R by 5. Right. Now see, even this is a number, even this is a number. We will shift this plus 8092 here. So it will become 7406 minus, we will shift this plus here and it will become minus 8092 into R by 5. Okay, 7406 minus 8092 gives you the answer 686. 686 into R. 686 R divided by 5. Now we will divide 686 divided by 5 gives you 137.2 R. Right. Now the next step is, what we will do is, we will remove the point from here. So it will become 1372 divided by which number? We will divide this with this. We will reciprocal. We will divide the 686 here. So 1372 divided by 686. 686 ones are 686. 686 twos are 1372. Now we will multiply 2 into this 5. This 5. So 2 into 5 gives you 10. So our rate R is equals to 10%. Rate is equals to 10%. We got the they are asking us to find the rate of interest given by the bank. So the bank is giving Puneet a rate of 10%. So our final answer is 10%. Now let us solve the next question. So our next question is this one. This is little bit complicated but very easy. So the second question is, Mr. Gulati has a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month. 300 per month means this is the principal, right? If the rate of interest, see, they have already given us the rate of interest is 12%, and the maturity value of this account is rupees 8100. So the maturity value is 8100. Find the time in years of this recurring deposit account. We have to find the time in years. So here our principal is rupees 300. Rupees 300. What is the rate? The rate of interest is 12%. 12%. MV is how much? The maturity value according to the question is 8100. So we'll write here MV is equals to 8100. Now we will put the numbers in the formula. MV is 8100. 8100 is equals to PN. P is how much? Principal is 300 into N is, and you don't know, we will put N here. We have to find the value of N. We have to find the value. So we'll put here N plus principal is 300. 300 into N. Here N plus 1. N plus 1 into rate is how much? 12%. So 12 by 100. Here 2 into 12. Now what is the next step? So the next step is cancellation. How will we cancel here? First let us cancel zeros. Let us cut it short. So we'll cut these two zeros. This 12 ones are and this 12 ones are. Now what is left? 300 into N. 300 into N is 300N. 300N plus 3 into N gives you 3N. Put here 3N. This one is N plus 1. So what is left? 2 is left in the denominator, right? We'll put here 2. 8100 is equals to 300N plus, see, how will we multiply? 3N into N. 3N into N gives you 3N square. 3N into 1 gives you 3N itself, right? We'll put here plus 3N. Here it's 2 here. Here you have nothing in the denominator. We'll assume it as 1 here. We will take the LCM now. So the LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 itself. We'll put a big line here. 2. 1 how much are 2? 1 2s are 2. So the same will multiply here. 2 1s are 2 into 1. So 300 into 2 gives you 600. 600N plus 3N square plus 3N. So here we'll do the cross multiplication here. If there is nothing here, we'll put here 1. The cross multiplication, 8100 into 2. 8100 into 2 gives you 16200 is equals to 600 into N. If we multiply all these numbers with 1, we'll get the same answer, right? So 600N, we will add 600N plus 3N. So we'll get 603N plus this 3N square plus 3N square. So this is our equation here. Now what will we do? We will shift the numbers. See, we will shift the 16200 over here. So let us bring 3N square plus 603N. We'll bring this 16200 over here. It will become 16200 here. See, plus 16200. If we shift here, it will become minus 16200. Now the next step is we have to divide these numbers with 3, because all the 3 numbers will go in 3's table. So let us divide all the numbers with 3. 3n square divided by 3 plus 603 n divided by 3. All the numbers are going with 3 table, right? So we are dividing it with 3. Here we'll cancel this 3 and this 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 0 and 3 ones are 3. Here 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 3 fours are 12 and 0 0 here. So 5400. So we got the answers. Now here we will follow the factorization method. This is n square, right? We'll take the n square down. N square plus 201 minus 5400. Now we'll do the factorization method. How will we do the factorization method? See, we have to take any two numbers. If we subtract that two numbers, we have to get the answer as 201, and if we multiply the two numbers, we have to get 5400. So that is called factorization, right? So which is the number? We have to think of that number. So let us take n square plus 225. 225 n is our number and minus 24 n is our number. So we will get the answer as 5400. See, 225 minus 24 will give you 201. 225 into 24 will give you the number 5400. So we got our quadratic equation here. So let us take out the common here. Which is common in this two? N, right? We'll take n as our common out. If we remove one n from n square, it will become single n. Plus if we remove this n here, it will become plus 225. Now, which is common in this two? Which number is common? 24 is common. We'll take minus 24. If we take out the 24, n will be left. And here, if we mark 24 into 225 gives you 5400. So, we'll put here 24 into 225. So, we got the equation here. This is factorization. Nothing but we are doing factorization. Quadratic equation factorization. Okay. Now, n plus 225, n minus 225. Here we got same numbers here, n plus 225, n minus 225. Here see, wait, we'll change the sign. Why will we change the sign? Because see, minus into minus is plus. So minus into minus is plus. We'll put here plus. We got the answer same here, n plus 225, n plus 225. Now we'll take one common out from here. See, what all is left? N minus 24. We'll take this n minus 24. And the other number is n plus 225. N plus 225 is equals to 0. Now, we got the answer here. So, our answer here is n is equals to 24 and n is equals to 225. Now, 24 is months, okay. Months will always be in positive. Here it's minus, but here we will change that minus to plus, and here it's plus. We'll change the sign to minus. So n is equals to 24, n is equals to minus 225. So we have to find the answers in year, months, right? We have to find the answer in months. So 24 months is equals to how many years? 24 months is equals to 2 years. So our n is equals to 2 years. So we got the answer. N is equals to 2 years. So the value of n is 24 months. That is nothing but 2 years. So this is our final answer. 2 years is our final answer. The time is 2 years. I hope this was useful. If you all found it helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.